Welcome to Side Dish. I'm the Hamburglar. What goes good with burgers? Mashed potatoes. Here's a skinny on awesome fluffy mashed potatoes. Consider the stud, the spud. 2 pounds of Yukon Gold or russet potatoes will give you great fluffy mashed potatoes. Peel them and chop them on up. 3/4 of a cup of half and half. Half a cup of unsalted butter and 2 tablespoons kosher salt. Now into some cold water go the potatoes. Submerge them by about an inch so they're covered. Season the water with 2 tablespoons kosher salt. Let them go for about 30 minutes. You know, at the same time, oh my God, you can like warm up your butter and your half and half. Get that to a nice simmer, okay? Drain the potatoes and then put them back on the stovetop for 2 more minutes. Get all the moisture out of that pan so that when the warm butter and cream gets in there with the potatoes, oh my God, they're thirsty. It's love. It's a hug. Then mash up your potatoes. Not too overzealous, because you don't want glue. Side Dish!